Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add friends in Candy Crush Saga. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Candy Crush application on your mobile phone, and after that guys, go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. After opening up the game guys and logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the game, where you can see all of your levels that you have progressed. You can see the map, the events, the shop, and so on, as you can see at the bottom of the screen. So guys, now let's go ahead and see how to add friends. This is the main page guys, and now to be able to add friends, what we have to do is go ahead and click our profile picture at the top of the screen. So guys, go ahead and click our profile picture right here at the top of the screen, and after clicking that guys, it's going to go ahead and open up this new menu where we can see the two sections that we can access called me and friends. So what we want to do guys is go ahead and open up the friends section. As you can see, I have opened it up, and now a button that says add more friends is going to go ahead and appear. So guys, what we want to do is just go ahead and click that blue button that says add more friends, and then we want to go ahead and add friends that we will be able to play with, either using your Facebook friends or using their email or something else. Go ahead, add them here, and they will appear and you will be able to play together. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.